In front of me is STK Life 9, and let me show you how to turn on developer options. So first of all, just open the settings, scroll down and pick System Then. Now go to Advanced and go to About Phone. Actually, we do have developer options here, so let me just switch them off. As you can see, they disappeared. So let's open About Phone then, scroll down and tap 7 times on build number. And as you can see, from now on developer options are active, so let's go back and they appeared right here. Click to open, and now you can smoothly use everything here. Just locate some particular option and activate it by using the indicator. Then to switch off and hide developer panel again, just unmark it here. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can activate developer panel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.